Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add reverse in Filmora application. Adding a reverse or reversing a video clip in Filmora is a breeze. So here is how to do it. First of all, launch open Filmora application from your app drawer. Go ahead and open up an existing project or tap on Create New Project and select the video clip you want to edit from your device's gallery. Once you select the video clip, click on Import at the bottom right corner. Doing this will import the video clip onto the timeline. Go ahead and select the video clip and from the bottom menu, look for the reverse option and tap on it. Wait for a few minutes and let the reverse effect to be applied to your video clip. Filmora will then process the clip and play it in reverse. So that is how you will be able to add reverse in Filmora application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.